everyone. This is my first video. I hope it comes out okay. Today we're going to be upgrading iOS on a Cisco device, and I just quickly jotted down some notes about preparation, application, and recovery. You want to make sure that the iOS is compatible with the hardware, of course, and that the features that you need are available in the iOS you are upgrading to or downgrading to. You want to make sure you have a stable power environment, of course, and that you have a backup config on a secondary device, just in case it gets stuck in ROM, or for example, your router or device has a service no password recovery. If it gets stuck in ROM, you're not going to be able to recover those configurations. So just have a backup somewhere else. While you're in the iOS, you always want to make sure you write before shutting down or reloading the router, just in case some configuration changes were applied and whoever applied those changes didn't write them or copy them to the startup config. That may happen sometimes. You want to be cautious when typing in the boot system location. Sometimes we get a letter wrong and it'll get stuck in ROM. In recovery options, if you're telnetting into the router, when it reloads, you're going to lose connectivity, of course. So you want a connection to the console if possible, in case it gets stuck in ROM. And again, you want to save previous configurations and old iOS in case you need to revert back to the original configuration. So here we have a router that I'm already connected to. We're going to authenticate and show. Let's find out what version we're running on. Show over pipe to include .bin. So this is the current system image, and we're gonna change it to, let's do a third flash pipe to include .bin also. All right, so we're at M2, and I think we're gonna go to M5. So let's get started. Just for good measure, excuse me. All right, well, let's get started. We're going to do no boot system to remove the boot system configuration for this iOS, and then we are going to boot system flash, and it's going to ask us for the location. Let's copy that, paste. Exit. We want to write the configuration in case we had any changes that weren't already saved. And we're going to reload. The last thing here is we're going to reload, and when it reloads, we should see it come up with the new iOS, which is M5. We're currently running M2, and we're upgrading to M5. And as it comes up, we're getting some good indications that the upgrade was successful. Here we see M5. Okay, very good. Looks like we're back up. We're going to enter our password. And check our, excuse me. And there we have it.